Hey there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add or install extension in VS Code. First of all, you have to install VS Code in your PC. So go to the browser and go for VS Code and click here download, and it will actually take you to the download page. Now download which operating system actually you are using. According to the operating system, you can actually download from here. I already download and install it in my PC. Now you can install extension from this VS Code interface also, and from this website also. If you click here in the extension section, you will find here a bunch of different action. Just search here and then you will find all the action. Let's say I want to search for live server, so I will hit enter and I will actually wait for this, and then it will actually show me all the server related to live server. Here you can see, I mean, all the extension. So here you can see this is the number, how many people actually download and install it. Okay, so you can actually click here and you can click here install, and then you can check it and then click here open Visual Studio Code. So it will actually took it there, and here you can see I have already installed it. Now let's say I want to install it from VS Code, okay, interface. So I mean VS Code application. Okay, so you have to open VS Code. Here you can see this is my VS Code app. Now in the left side you will find the extension section. So click here and here you have to search for it. So I'm going to search here live server, and I don't hit enter here, but it will actually show me all the suggestions. Here you can see. Now I will actually go with this one because this has much, downloader than other. Okay, I mean downloads than others. Okay, so I will actually install it, and here you can see I already installed it in my PC. So yeah, you just have to install it. That's it. Now let's say we have another option here, live preview. So what live preview basically does, when you install it, then you can actually live preview here in the what can I say, in this editor VS Code. You don't need to go to the browser. You can actually see the output of your project in the right side. Okay, let's say you want to create index file for your website, let's say portfolio website. So you have actually done all the code. Now if you install it, and you will find here an option, let me show you. So I will install it, and you can see now let's say I want to open here a folder. Let's say this PC, and here I have, let's say, portfolio. Okay, portfolio ChatGPT. I will add this, and here we go. Now here you can see we have option here, show preview, right? Alright, so I'll click here, and here you can see this is the preview. So I don't need to actually go to the browser, right? Yes, there we go. Alright, it's working perfectly. Here you can see. So this is the reason actually we have to install it, right? Live preview. So through like live preview and live server, you can actually find here bunch of different extensions here. So you can actually install any extension from here. So I have shown you two different ways, from the browser also and from the VS Code application also. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching.